Hello my dear friends, hope so you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel English by Nidhi. So कल हमने letter A किया था from literary terms. So today we can do letter B. Our first term is ballad. Ballad a narrative poem transmit orally. Ballad क्या एक narrative poem है जो transmit किया जाता है orally. Ballad is a story told in a form of a poem or a song. It usually tells a simple and emotional story about love, adventure, war, tragedy और heroic deed. जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं in the old times Anglo-Saxon and Anglo-Norman period the alliteration must be used mainly. जो बार्ड्स एंड स्कोप्स होते थे वो जो अपनी डीड्स हैं जो हीरोइक एंड एडवेंचर की जो स्टोरी सुनाते थे वो बैलेड की फॉर्म में ही सुनाते थे ताकि लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उन्हें सुन सके और उन्हें पसंद करें एंड दे ट्रांसमिटेड ऑरली एंड द बैलेड एक्सप्लोर्ड एज आई टोल्ड यू द बैलेड एक्सप्लोर्ड एंड टेल्स द थीम ऑफ लव एडवेंचर bravery and many more. Our next term is beat writers. The beat writers emerged in late 1950s and early 1960s. Beat writers shared a set of social attitude, anti-establishment, anti-political and anti-intellectuals. So जो बीट राइटर्स हैं वो रिजेक्ट करते हैं जो ट्रेडिशनल वैल्यूज़ हैं एंड रोट अबाउट फ्रीडम इंडिविजुअलिटी travel, spirituality and many more things and want to celebrate their own identity, their own pride, okay, and they break the structure norms of the society. So जो beat writers हैं want to live freely and writing freely from the traditional norms. जो मेजर राइटर्स हैं वो हैं जैक विलियम एलन गिन्सबर्ग एंड मैनी मोर. So our next term is bathos. Sudden change from a serious to a trivial or a ridiculous thing and ended in humorous way. So जो bathos है it suddenly moves from something serious, grand or emotional to something ordinary, silly or trivial, creating a comic or awkward effect. We can say that in many Shakespeare plays we can say that the play started with some type of serious thing and ended with marriage and some type of play within a play tragedy mostly used in Shakespeare plays. तो हम कहते हैं कुछ जो रीडर्स हैं उनको रिलीफ या फिर जो लाइट हार्टन फील करवाने के लिए जो शेक्सपियर भी कुछ टाइप के अपने प्लेज में एलिमेंट्स डाल देते थे ताकि जो रीडर्स है वो लाइट हार्टन फील करे. दैट वी कैन ऑल्सो कॉल्ड पैथोज. अपोज टू दैट देयर इज अ टर्म ऑल्सो नोन एज पैथोज. In pathos creates pity, sympathy and or sadness. In that the readers feel emotional, used to touch the heart, feel emotional. Okay, so our next term is biography. Dryden defined the history of a particular man's life. A writer write about someone else's life. Else, that will be else. Okay, someone else life. So बायोग्राफी क्या होता है जब कोई भी राइटर किसी दूसरे की लाइफ के बारे में बताता है. बायोग्राफी इज़ अ रिटन स्टोरी और समथिंग एल्स ऑफ अ पर्सन लाइफ रिटन बाय समवन एल्स. जैसे कि हम मान सकते हैं बहुत सारी बायोग्राफीज़ हैं हमारे इसमें एंड वन टाइप ऑफ डैट विल बी ऑटोबायोग्राफी. ऑटोबायोग्राफी क्या होता है? ऑटोबायोग्राफी होता है ऑटो प्लस बायोग्राफी. इन ऑटोबायोग्राफी इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ अ पर्सन ओन लाइफ रिटन बाय दैट पर्सन. जब हम अपनी खुद की लाइफ के बारे में खुद ही लिखते हैं हम एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं APJ अब्दुल कलाम की विंग्स ऑफ fire. Most important work. And hagiography, in biography and autobiography no religious things included. Okay, but in hagiography is a biography of a saint or a highly admired person, often praising them and focusing on their virtues. hagiography में हम लिखते हैं लाइफ ऑफ द सेंट्स एंड जो मिरेकल्स है जो वर्चूज़ के बारे में बताता है उनके अबाउट प्रेजिंग अ सेंट और अ holy person. Okay, so our next term, I'm really sorry for that. So our next term is our next term is Black Arts Movement. Black Arts Movement emerged in 1960s by African Americans. Black Arts Movement protest against mainstream population whites, because in the United States the black feel exploited, and they faced racism and discrimination. So the black people protest against the whites and advocate black separatism, black pride, black solidarity, and their black identity. They promote black culture and self-respect and encouraged their own equality in culture, identity in the society through poetry, literature, drama, and many more things. So our last and the final term is Bloomsbury Group. Informal associations of writers, artists, intellectuals lived in Bloomsbury in London. Okay, members of this group meet around 1905 in London, start conversation about art issues in philosophy. So the Bloomsbury Group writers want to encourage new ideas in literature and art and reject many traditional social rules. And so major writers of the group are Virginia Woolf, E.M. Forster, Venice Beals, Clive Bells, and J.M. Cairns, and many more writers. They are also impacted from the world wars, so they really show the break the traditional rules of the Victorian and Victorian age, who just focus on the society, but they also show the society as the real face, what will be happen in our society. So the video is end here. So tomorrow we will cover the letter C. Hope so you like my videos. So please subscribe and like.